Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today we're going to talk about this area rug that this company sent me. This one, it's 5x7. They have multiple other options as well as multiple other patterns. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to transition this one to be kind of like under my table right there, which I think this one, it looks a little bit better. And I think my cat is about to make an appearance in this video pretty much because she loves this area rug. It is so soft, I have to say, that it's like a really soft. So for them, I think kind of like they really like the softness of this area rug. The other good thing about this one, again, is it comes in multiple patterns and multiple sizes, but the 5x7 is the one that actually suits my dining table over there. I do like something else. This one right here, actually, let's jump on a closer look. So here's the other thing that I was about to tell you. This one right here, it has a fantastic grip. So this thing, once you put it, for example, in a wooden floor, this thing won't move at all. That's what I kind of like about this one, that it comes with a really nice silicone-ish grip that is gonna give you that grip that you need to avoid it from moving. So multiple patterns, multiple sizes, and of course, super soft and easy to clean with just a vacuum. In case that you have pets or something like that, it will be super easy to clean because of the grip. This one won't move too much when you are kind of like passing with the vacuum on top. I like it. This is gonna be my new air rug, like under my dining table. I like it. I hope you like it too. I totally recommend.